Georgia, from counties in north central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lauderdale, or near Covington, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Hanford include Covington, Oxford, Stewart, Turtle Cove, Bowman, Stars Hill, Brick Store, Calvert, Farrar, North Alcatty and Roger Plains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-8667. 1-8667-634-4664 as your report at NWS Atlanta. Area. While severe weather service has issued a thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morgan County, north central Georgia, northwestern. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The severe thunderstorm